let's make a super easy candle holder. Hey everybody, it's Colette with Blessings Craft Therapy, if you didn't know, and if you did, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so we start with this little saucer. It's a terracotta saucer. This is how big it is. It's about 3.5 inches on the bottom, about 4.5 on the top. Then we take a curtain, what is it called? One of these curtain things from Dollar Tree. I'm going to paint my saucer black, and I'm using a multi-surface black paint. It's like a chalkboard paint, but I don't care. It works. And then I'm going to take my shower ring. Is that what it's called? Okay, shower ring. And we're going to paint that black. And I'm going to make sure to get the inside as well as the outside. Now, I'm sure that somebody out there is going to be like, oh, why did you paint it like that? You're going to get your hands all dirty. I know. I don't know any other way to do it. But I'm sure you brilliant people do. But how I did it, I set it down, painted it, used my finger to stabilize it, to twist it, and then just touched up where I touched on my finger. I know there's a better way, but whatever. Then I have a metallic chalk paint, and I just use a dry brush method, and I go around. Obviously, once this is dry, you got to let your black paint dry. But look at how fun. We're just going to do a dry brush around that, and then we're going to do the same thing on our terracotta saucer. And holy, I love it. It makes it look like this, I don't know, like a metal kind of container. I just love it. I'm sure some of you aren't going to like it, and that's okay. That's all right. But this distress vibe, yeah, it's for me. Look at how fun. I love it. Now, I did do the inside. I did the bottom, all of it. All right, so then once that's done and it's all dry, I'm going to put some glue on the inside, and I'm going to just stretch out our shower ring just a bit, and we're going to just put it on the side like that. Then I'm going to load up glue, and I go from the inside, but I really load it up. And when that happens, it actually melts the shower ring just a little bit, and I actually tilted it out so that it was even more like a little candle holder thing. I'm sure I'm missing the words on what this candle holder is, but you know what I'm talking about. It's old school and it's super cute. And I did, because I loaded up so much of the glue, I did hold it down so that the glue would pool by the shower ring instead of going all over our saucer. Then I put a layer of glue all around the inside, and we have this pine kind of sprig that I got from Dollar Tree. It's actually wired, and I just make sure that it's adhered to the glue. Do that. Easy peasy. And yes, Dollar Tree has it out now. Has them all out. So does Walmart. So you should be able to find this stuff. Look at how cute already. Then I have some little bells. I'm going to put those in. Just glue them in. Easy peasy. I did 3 of them because, you know, I love the number 3. I like 5 and 7 too, but 3 today. And then that's it. Stop it. Look at how cute this is. It looks like one of those little, you know what I'm talking about, old school, old timey candle holders. But this is what I just put an LED candle, or this is what I did. This is why I did this project, because I promised you that I would show you how I made it. So this was the project that it came from. Anyways, friends, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you.